everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be bringing to you a Mardi Gras inspired tablescape. Each year in this area, the United Way hosts a Girlfriends Gala. This year's theme was a winter masquerade ball. And quite naturally, most of the sponsors for each table went with a Mardi Gras or a masquerade theme. As you can see, the tables all around us have already been decorated, so we are going to hop right on into decorating our table. Benefited the Circle Ranch so that foster families could have larger homes in which they could reside, or either a quick getaway spot for meetings or retreats. This was such an amazing idea for this community, and I was so excited to be able to be a part of this huge opportunity to give back. Now that my table linens are in place, I'm going to add the floral centerpiece, which is absolutely gorgeous, by the way, and I promise you that I will get an up-close view of it. But for the base, work on the table, I needed to set the camera a little bit far back so that you guys can get everything in the view and I wouldn't have to continue to adjust the camera. But again, I'm going to show you guys a very close-up view. Next up, I'm going to add chair covers to all of the chairs. These are the traditional Lifetime chairs, and so I wanted to add the chair covers to give it that extra oomph of elegance. And I will be sure to share with you guys all of my sources for chair covers and table linens and all of those things in my event planning / decorating designing class, which will be held online. And so you guys stay tuned because I will be releasing that information very, very soon. Next up, the client asked me to use disposable dishware because they wanted something that was a very easy cleanup once the party was over, and then they didn't want to risk things getting broken because in the past some very expensive china had been broken. And so I reached out to Posh Party Supplies. They had some amazing dishware that looked just like real china, and then once the party was over, all they had to do was toss it, which made the cleanup so very easy. I absolutely love the cutouts in this plate. It looks so phenomenal on the table, and I just wanted to give you guys a close-up view of all the pieces that I was going to be using to create this tablescape. This is also several pieces of the cutlery that I use as well. And then they also had these amazing crystal-like wine glasses that were also disposable. And once I got these on the table, you guys, people could not believe that the dishware was not real china. It looks just like real china. It had a very affordable price point, and again, at the end of the night, all they had to do was toss it. They didn't have to worry about the cleanup. They didn't have to worry about washing it or any of that, and then they didn't have to worry about anybody breaking it or spilling it. We also use the cutlery that you see here. I absolutely love the Venetian detail on the edges of the spoons. Oh my gosh, it was so amazing. Again, people could not believe that this was not real. I will be sure to leave the link down in the description box so that you too can class up your next event. You are absolutely going to love it. And I also asked them to give me a special code for all of my subscribers, so I will leave that down in the description box as well. Is the water glass that we use. I love the opaque lines down near the bottom of the water glass. It just gave it a very distinctive feel, along with these crystal effect wine glasses. I showed you guys these earlier, but now I'm going to take the opportunity to set these on the table and let you guys see how real all of the spoons and knives and forks actually look on the table once your table is set. And this will be perfect for an upscale wedding or event, because with this particular tablescape, I did not want to use the typical faux place settings, and so this definitely did the trick for me. It did not lose the elegance that I was looking for while creating this tablescape. So on each place setting, I included these Bling Napkins along with the napkin rings from Totally Dazzle, and it just paired so perfectly with the plates that you see here. Oh my goodness, it looked so good. And I promise you, when people came around, they just could not believe that they were not real China pieces. So I absolutely love that. And I love that once I got everything in place, I placed these masks from the Dollar Tree. OMG, the Dollar Tree really came through with the beautiful mask. And so here is an overview of the entire table that we created. I was so in love with the outcome. The floral centerpiece was absolutely amazing, and I will definitely show you guys an overview of that. But just the details here, we decided to go with the pink and the purple, and then everything base was gold, and then the florals were just, it just took it over the top. The florals were live florals. Absolutely love the outcome of this. So amazing. So let's take a close-up look at what the florals look like for this particular centerpiece. As you can see, it has a lot of like the hydrangeas mixed in, roses. I had a lot of feathers added to this. My local florist did create this for me, Kaleidoscope. So thank you guys so much for coming through with this for me. I was so enamored with the results. And then the mask that you see here, like I said, we're from the Dollar Tree. I did not add anything to these, you guys. The bling was already there, and I thought it fit in so perfectly with the bling tablecloth and the bling runners, the bling napkins. It just looked so amazing. And then I paired it again with this gorgeous napkin ring from Totally Dazzle, and I will be sure to link that down below. It is not sponsored by them by any stretch of the imagination, but I love their products. So here is an overview of the room again, and I'm going to also share with you guys a sneak peek of the other tables that were there as well. Now there was a table contest, and I will share the winner with you. Again, the theme for this was a winter masquerade, and we decided to go with the pinks and the purples because it was a girlfriend's gala. So basically, a lot of women were in attendance. So I wanted something that was very classy and sophisticated, yet tied in with the masquerade theme. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. I was so proud of the outcome of this table. All of the guests truly enjoyed it. So it was so much fun being able to put this together. Here is a look at the other tables that I thought was very good at the Girlfriends Gala. I absolutely loved a lot of the design concepts of these tables that I'm sharing with you. I told you that I was going to share with you the winner, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to let you guys pick the winner down in the comments below. You let me know which table you thought won. I thought they were all amazing, by the way. Everybody did such an amazing job at designing the tables. So with the information that I've given you in regards to the theme, being a girlfriend's gala featuring a winter masquerade, I want you guys to leave down in the comments below what aspect of the tables that I'm sharing with you today that you like most and which one you thought won. I thought these tables were absolutely amazing. They did such a wonderful job putting everything together. So, and then here is another table here. It's a black and white and gold. So everyone just had kind of a different theme. They were all different. Each table was decorated by a different company. And then they just chose one winner from all of the different tables. And I absolutely loved it. I got so many ideas. As a designer, I got to see so many different fresh concepts and new ideas that I thought was really nice. So here is our table again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please be sure to leave me a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you're interested in attending my online event planning school, be sure to leave me a comment with your email down below, or you can email me. I will leave my email down in the description box. That information is going to be coming to you very soon. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.